Welcome to the Lance and Sandra Show. I'm Lance.
I'm Sandra.
So, what are we making tonight, hon?
So tonight we're making chicken and shrimp Alfredo. We're going to use the Rouse Alfredo sauce, and then we are having zucchini noodles.
Zucchini noodles.
So I have this handy dandy peeler that peels into slices. So I've been working on getting this sliced without hurting myself.
Good luck.
But it does a really good job. And I think these are going to be...
It does. I'm surprised.
My daughter had a
Noodle maker.
noodle maker that we tried.
It just didn't work.
And it didn't work. So...
That might have been comedy if we would have shown it.
Yeah. Giving you a good laugh after Valentine's Day. So happy late Valentine's Day, everybody. We didn't do a show yesterday. We went out on a date, had dinner, played bingo, shared a chef salad.
That was our dinner. That was our dinner date. Cheap date.
I'm a cheap date, but keep in mind we've been married for almost...
It'll be 35 years in July.
35 years in July, and I'm happy to report I have tipped the 10-pound scale mark, which I'm really happy about. We started this roughly on or about January 2nd or 3rd, depending on...
I went in on the 4th.
What day I go by or what day Lance goes by, but...
Same thing. Really.
I was 172.8 pounds when we started this journey. And this morning I weighed in at 162.4.
Good.
So I've lost 10 pounds, 0.8 and 4, so 10,
yeah, and I've lost
10.4 pounds.
Almost 20 pounds.
And Lance is, yeah.
So,
I've
always been able to lose weight faster than Sandra. I don't know if that's just normal for guys over women. I don't know.
I think men typically lose weight faster than women.
But now that I'm 60, it's supposed to come off slower, but I don't feel like it is. Just got to watch what you eat.
I'm going to hurt myself, so I'm just going to slow down. So actually, can I have a bite? It's actually not bad raw.
No, but I want to eat a whole plate of it.
And I asked him if he wanted, I'm going to snack on that. I asked him if he wanted to eat this raw, or if we were going to pan fry it, or if we are going to put it in some boiling water and just do a quick blanch. Tonight, we're hungry. We're going to saute it in some butter and some garlic.
Can we cook those first?
And then we're going to start with our chicken. Our shrimp's pre-cooked. I went ahead and cut my shrimp in half because these were larger.
Yep, it's cut in half.
Just because they're larger pieces. So we're going to start with our chicken. So go ahead, and we're going to, like I said, we're going to saute in butter, add some garlic. I do have...
What about the mushrooms?
Mushrooms that I like in my pasta, so...
A little olive oil.
And I'm afraid I'm going to just quit because I feel like I'm going to hurt myself if I keep using this.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
So that's what we're having for dinner.
So we're going to cook up the meat and then these.
So we're going to start with the mushrooms.
Oh, the mushrooms.
They take a little longer, and then we'll add our chicken.
Maybe some garlic then.
Put some garlic in there. Not too much, but...
The mushrooms?
Well, for the dish itself.
Well, I'm going to do the mushrooms first, right?
Yes, we're going to start with the mushrooms. Add our chicken. Once we get our sauce in and we let it sit for a bit, we'll go ahead and do a quick pan fry with our zucchini noodles, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done.
Okay, so I got the mushrooms, the shrimp, and the chicken all in this Rayo sauce. And then I added a little bit of Italian seasoning and garlic. And when I tasted it, it tastes pretty good. A lot of mushroom flavor. But it's good. A little more pepper, a little more salt. Stir it around. I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit because the sauce seemed to be a little thinner than I'm used to, which might be good. I don't know. Do we have any cheese we can throw in here? One plate at a time here. You want to use those? If you want, I don't know. You can salt those too if you want, maybe, huh?
I would say they.
Now this Rouse noodle sauce was a little bit thinner than
We're used
we're
to.
used to.
But it is a cleaner ingredient, so. All right. Yeah, that has a lot of.
Should we try it?
Yes.
More?
Oh, that's plenty.
Okay, and then the sauce.
All right. So we did mushrooms, chicken, shrimp. We sauteed everything garlic, butter,
A little olive oil.
with some olive oil. We sauteed our zucchini in some butter and garlic.
Throw some on mine too.
All right. And we used, I got chicken breast, organic.
Be good.
We haven't had any pasta since pretty much last year,
Real pasta, yeah.
real pasta, so anyways.
The sauce was good. The noodles are good, so this should be good combined, right?
It should.
Give it a shot, hon.
All right. And I think we have some Parmesan shreds in the fridge that would go really nice on
Oh,
top of
maybe
this.
Good?
That is good.
It's good, but it's not spaghetti.
It's not.
But let me see, what else we got?
Have a little taste test before you
So,
put a bunch on there. We have some
older,
older,
couldn't find the fresh stuff. This is good. It's not, I don't know if it's gonna melt though. Taste it first.
no, I'm
Take my word for it.
gonna take your word for it. Put that
Okay,
in
there you go. It is what? Zucchini spaghetti. Oh, zucchini
noodles.
noodles. No, we gotta figure the name. Zucchini, chicken, and shrimp, mushroom, zucchini noodles.
So
Okay.
it's pretty much chicken and shrimp Alfredo over zucchini noodles. And we're keeping this on a clean, as far as clean ingredients, a little healthier.
I would eat this on a no. I would probably eat this on a non-healthy day.
Yeah,
That makes sense because it is really good.
It
It's
is.
different than spaghetti, but Hear me slurping?
All right. We're making a mess and we're hungry. We got 10 minutes till our fasting time, so
8 o'clock. Well, anyway, like and subscribe down below. And thanks for watching. I'm Lance.
I'm Sandra. And
Have a good evening.
See you next time.